Hey, let's talk about how we can integrate technology into your science, engineering, and mathematics classes. So, first off, when we talk about this, we're talking about STEM and STEM integration: science, technology, engineering, and math. So, what is it? Teaching that merges learning concepts from multiple STEM disciplines. So, we're integrating all three of these or four of these concepts together, and teaching that puts an emphasis on one discipline also while requiring the other disciplines to frame the lesson. This is all part of STEM. So there are issues and challenges when we're using science instruction and technology. There is an increasing need for scientific and engineering literacy if you're going to do it this way. And all citizens should be scientific literate, but not all are. You've got economic and environmental progress is going to depend on science education. And students need to directly experience scientific practices. And this is where inquiry-based learning is just vitally important. And then there are difficulties in teaching K-8 science. Teachers have always got to come up with new developments and follow through in science and content and tools and methodology. And elementary teachers, frankly, are going to have a less deep understanding of science and math than are those in middle and secondary who have taken all those courses. So especially in elementary, increased professional development is going to be vital for them keeping up on this. So how do we integrate strategies for science instruction? Well, first off, citizen science is a great platform as it allows students to perform actual scientific research as part of a larger group. And so you've got these online science projects researches dealing with global learning and data loggers and GPS. And so having students participate that allows them to participate in scientific inquiry. So how do you do it through virtual experiences? Well, there are virtual labs that you can get online and simulations and 3D models. And then again, the virtual and augmented reality allow you to do that as well. Now, engineering is also a part of this, but there are issues and challenges involved with engineering instruction. Engineering, it's concerned with our human designed world, and it develops and refines technologies for specific tasks. So engineering design is the heart of what engineering is. You look at a project and a process of design and the scoping and the solution that you can end up with. So no one discipline actually ensures that students comprehensively understand engineering. It's integrated into others, but there isn't a singular one that truly is engineering. And so most K-12 teachers have little exposure to engineering. So professional development is really important here. Engineering instead has to be integrated into other subjects, and teachers have got to actually spend time and devote time to engineering if they want that as part of their classrooms, because it is a great strategy. So how do you involve engineering? Well, you're going to need supporting technologies. So things like digital note takers, flow charts, mind maps. If you have CAD software where you can do the computer-aided design and the 3D images, that is amazing help for students working in this. Now, engineering allows students to engage in critical thinking and programming and robotics and simulations. And so there are programming and robotics programs students can use, such as Scratch and code.org or Code and Go Robot Mouse. These are all ones you can integrate in there so that students can have a chance to experiment with these technologies. Now, there's also issues with math instruction. Curriculum standards for math can be very, very broad in scope. So teachers have to determine and narrow down the technologies that they're going to use and how this is going to support the standards. And students need to work with teachers and peers to construct their knowledge around mathematics. And using technology leads to a deeper conceptual understanding and allows mathematics representations to be shown. So how do you integrate it in math instruction? So visualizing abstract and virtual manipulatives so that students can see 3D models of things that you're discussing, and learning mathematics using representations and technology resources. Desmos is a new graphing program that I was introduced earlier today to help students learn how to graph. And then mathematic problem solving is going to encourage students to engage in tasks and involves gathering data and offering solutions and graphing what they found, and then expressing what they found in communication to others, either through media or other sites, because all this, what it does is it motivates students to learn.